She won American Idol. But the real victory came after the cameras stopped rolling. This is the untold story of Fantasia Barrino, how she broke free from poverty, pain, and pressure, and rose again with purpose. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why her story might just inspire your own comeback. Fantasia Barrino became a household name in 2004 when she blew the roof off American Idol with her raw, soulful voice. With every note, she wasn't just singing, she was surviving. Raised in High Point, North Carolina, Fantasia grew up singing in church. Music was her refuge, but life was anything but easy. At 17, she was a single mom. She dropped out of school. People told her she'd never make it, but Fantasia didn't just dream, she believed. Her performance of I Believe on Idol wasn't just a song, it was a declaration, and she won. But what came next wasn't the fairy tale everyone expected. Behind the fame, Fantasia faced dark battles, financial pressures, public scrutiny, a memoir that shocked the world, even a suicide attempt. Yes, the spotlight can shine bright, but it can also expose every scar. In her lowest moments, Fantasia admitted she lost herself, forgetting the very voice that set her free. But like so many great stories of faith, this wasn't the end. It was the breaking point that led to her breakthrough. What changed? Fantasia returned to her foundation: faith, family, and purpose. She reconnected with God, leaned on prayer, and made peace with her past. In an interview, she once said, "I had to go back to what I knew. God never left me." She released new music, not for chart success, but to speak life into others. Her voice grew even richer, not just with power, but with purpose. Fantasia found healing in her truth.
Church is in me. Because God used my mistakes. So everything that I've been through, you see, God turned it around for my good, you see. What other people tried to talk about, God just turned it around. Let's go up on this one. To tell you that everything you're going through, everything you've been through, it was necessary. It was necessary. Anybody understand that right there? It was necessary. It was necessary that I went through everything. It was necessary. It is, it is, it is, oh. Today, because God used every one of my mistakes. He worked them for my good, like no one else ever could. Oh yeah. God told me to tell you everything you're going through, it is necessary.
Today, Fantasia uses her platform to inspire others. She speaks about depression, single motherhood, and the strength of believing in yourself when no one else does. Her story is not just about music, it's about freedom. She now stands tall, not just as a Grammy-winning artist, but as a woman who knows who she is and whose she is. We all wear invisible chains, regret, fear, shame. But Fantasia's story reminds us that chains are meant to be broken. You are not your mistakes. You are not your past. And like Fantasia, if you hold on to faith, you too can rise again. This April, Fantasia Barrino steps boldly into a new era with the release of her highly anticipated album, her hit Have Your Way. A project deeply rooted in the gospel traditions that have shaped her life and artistry. The excitement is electric. Fans and critics alike are buzzing about Fantasia's signature powerhouse vocals, but it's the gospel influence that truly sets Have Your Way apart. From soaring choir harmonies to hand claps and organ swells, the album's sound is a celebration of her spiritual roots. It's a statement of faith, a testament to Fantasia's resilience, spiritual growth, and evolution. Tracks like Heaven Knows and Lift Me Up echo the gospel tradition, telling stories of redemption, hope, and the power of belief. With Have Your Way, Fantasia isn't just making a comeback. She's channeling her faith, using gospel's timeless message to inspire. She's turning whispers of doubt into anthems of hope and empowerment, inviting us all to rise above the noise, lean on faith, and celebrate our own voices. As the world listens, Fantasia proves once again, your story is never over. Every chapter, every note, is a chance to inspire, and with Have Your Way, her gospel roots shine brighter than ever.
Are you Lord God Almighty? Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb. You are holy. Will you help me sing it? Come on. Holy. Are you Lord God Almighty? Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy. You are holy. Everybody say, are you Lord God?
If Fantasia's story moved you, hit that like button and share this video with someone who needs hope today. Subscribe for more stories of strength, faith, and music that heals the soul. Drop a comment below. What chains are you breaking free from?
Thank you so much for watching our video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time.